Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're having an amazing day. It's your boy Jay, the Motor Marauder, back again with another video. I'm currently in a farmland area just taking some pictures and stuff. Been a while since I've been out on the bike. I did record this video last week when I was going to work, but I ended up realizing that the angle I had my camera at for the last few times I've been recording has been really terrible. So it hasn't really been showing up properly. So let me just adjust my jacket and then we'll get on the road. We'll do a little update vlog on where I've been. Alright, so of course we're back on the Yamaha R7 again. The Marauder's sold. I think I mentioned that to you guys. If I haven't, yeah, the Marauder's gone. It's been gone for at least a couple months. Recently, the past little bit, I haven't been uploading. My apologies. I've been just going through it with a bit with life. Been busy. And honestly, it is what it is, guys. So for the last little bit, what I've been doing outside of work is I've been traveling a bit. I think I mentioned to you guys a while back. If I haven't, my apologies. I recently went to Ontario for a weekend. Went to Ontario for a weekend because my sibling was going there for a convention for a field and needed a chaperone, so I volunteered to go. Didn't really do much, just stayed at the hotel, enjoyed a little bit. Then on the day we were about to leave, we explored Toronto, we explored Mississauga a little bit, which was fun. First time I've been there. That sort of kicked off a small travel bug for me for the last, let's say, month and a half, 2 months. And recently I went on my first ever road trip and with some friends of mine and my brother. We went to Banff for a weekend, for a long weekend. We took some time off work and explored Banff. We explored some of BC. It was honestly really nice. We explored Emerald Lake, Bow Lake, Jasper, Revelstoke, most of Banff as well, and Golden. We went to the Golden Suspension Bridge, the Sky Bridge. Really nice time there. Saw Bow Lake and Emerald Lake. It was a really good time. Honestly, it was very fun. Really enjoyed it. After that, I got a bit busy with work and life, and I've been trying to get out to record motovlogs, and I've also have a couple on my PC I need to edit, which I honestly haven't gone to it yet, man. With the summer and the good weather, and I've been having a couple things go on in my personal life that I can't mention here, especially not yet. I just couldn't get around to editing videos, so my apologies. But now we're back. This is a little update video that I'm not gone. I've just been dealing with some stuff. But I did get some good news though. About a year and a half ago, I got some bad news about my health, and I've been working on that. And honestly, the doctor says that my body's done a complete 180. I'm healthier than I've ever been. Besides the weight, I need to lose the weight, so I'm doing that soon. Besides that, everything's good. So yeah, this is a small little update video for you guys. I haven't gone anywhere. I'm right here. So I'm going to end this video here. If you guys enjoyed it, hopefully you guys, well, I don't know if you guys enjoyed it. It was just a small little video explaining where I've been. But yeah, that is what it is. It is what it is. And hopefully and I plan on traveling again soon, this time international. I plan on traveling international one time before the end of the year, saving up some money for that. So yeah, if guys, I want to ask you guys if you have any recommendations or ideas for videos you want to see me make on the R7 that I can easily make, let me know. I'm more than thankful for any and all ideas, and I will do them if they are possible for me. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It's your boy Jay, the Motor Marauder, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alright, peace.